1080p, 60 frames per second, the OnePlus 6T. Very nice. Quickly goes into focus. Look at that. Very nice. I'm gonna walk on the curb, holding it with my right hand. I'm gonna jump off the curb, steady walk, steady jog, stop, focus in, quick. Very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna jog across the street here. What we're looking for is the visual stability of the OnePlus 6T. We want great audio quality, but visually we want everything to look great. We want objects that we're just zooming into like this to quickly come into focus. And as I'm walking or jogging, we want to see how the OnePlus 6T does with the optical image stabilization. We don't want a lot of shakiness. Don't want a lot of focus hunting, blurring effect. We just want a great experience when it comes to the visuals with the OnePlus 6T. I'm going to jump on, off, the curve there. All right. And I'm officially done with this test.